Take a ride in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, roof rails, lumbar support. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.